So now that we've through those solutions, I'd like to give you a few more logic problems to work on that I'll give you the solutions to in future videos yet again. Problem number 1. You're given 9 balls. All of them are exactly the same weight except for one ball amongst the 9, and you do not know which it is, and they all look the same. You are given a scales of justice, or an old-timey weigh scale, in which you can weigh 1 ball against 1 ball, 2 balls against 2 balls, whatever you need to do to see visually which side is tipping the scales and which side is the heavier ball or contains the heavier ball. What is the minimum amount of weighings that you need to do to be certain that you are able to find the heavier ball given absolutely no luck? I hope that made sense to you. If not, ask for clarification in the comments and I will gladly provide. Puzzle number 2 I would like to share with you is a mind-twisting verbal riddle that makes it very convoluted and hard to see what the conclusion is, though again, could be modeled with symbolic logic like the Knights and Knaves problem was. There's a man staring at a portrait, and another man comes over and asks the man staring at the portrait, whose portrait is he staring at? The man replies, brothers and sisters, have I none, meaning the man has no siblings, but this man's father is my father's son. Whose portrait is the man staring at? Cheers, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will give you the solutions to the problems from this video and a future video. Happy mathing again.